Hello everybody, welcome to the Make Rich Money channel. Today we are going to show you 10 top social media marketing tips on how you can get started and become successful in social media marketing. Even if you are a complete beginner, I will advise you to watch short till the end because we are going to give you some amazing tips. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so we can regularly help you with tips to grow your income. Now let's get straight into the video. Number 1. Set goals for your social media marketing campaign. If you are serious about marketing your business on social media, then you need to set some goals. Without a clear target, it's all too easy to get lost in the vast sea of Twitter feeds, Facebook updates, and Instagram photos. But by taking the time to set some specific goals for your social media marketing campaign, you can focus your efforts and ensure that you are getting the most out of your time investment. There are a number of factors to consider when setting goals for your social media marketing campaign. First, think about what you hope to achieve with your social media presence. Are you looking to raise brand awareness, drive traffic to your website, generate leads? Once you've identified your overall objectives, you can start to break down your goals into more specific, tangible targets. For example, if you're looking to increase your brand awareness, you might set a goal of growing your social media following by X% over the course of the next quarter. Or if you are aiming to drive traffic to your website, you could set a goal of getting X number of website visits from social media each month. Whatever goals you choose to set for your social media marketing campaign, make sure they are SMART. SMART, which means specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. By following this simple acronym, you can be sure that your goals are well-defined and achievable. With a clear plan and some SMART goal setting, you will be on your way to social media success in no time. Once you have set your goals, it's important to create a plan of action and start implementing it. Remember to track your progress and adjust your plans if necessary. With hard work and dedication, you will be able to achieve any goal you set for your social media marketing campaign. Number 2, choose the social media platforms that are most relevant to your business. Social media marketing can be a great way to connect with new and potential customers. Social media marketing is no longer an option for businesses. It's now a necessity. But with so many platforms to choose from, how can you decide which ones are right for your business? The first step is to assess your goals. What do you want to achieve through social media? Once you know what you want to accomplish, you can start to narrow down your choices. For example, if you are looking to build brand awareness, platforms like Facebook and Instagram are ideal. If you are looking for a more direct way to reach your customers, platforms like Twitter and LinkedIn are worth considering. Also, if you sell products or services that appeal to a young audience, then you will want to focus on platforms like Snapchat and Instagram. If you are targeting a more mature audience, then Facebook and Twitter may be more appropriate. Once you've identified your target audience, you can start developing a strategy for how to best reach them. The bottom line is that there's no one-size-fits-all approach to social media marketing. The best strategy is the one that's tailored to your unique business goals. Social media marketing can be time-consuming, but by being strategic about which platforms you use, you can maximize your chances of success. Number 3, create profiles and pages that are professional and consistent with your branding. A strong social media presence can help to build brand awareness, generate leads, and drive sales. However, success on social media requires more than simply setting up a profile and posting occasional updates. One way to do this is to create profiles and pages on social media sites that are devoted to business. This way, potential customers can easily find information about your products and services, and you can more easily control the message that you are putting out there. Additionally, it's important to keep your personal and business social media accounts separate. This will help you to avoid any confusion or overlap between the two and maintain a more professional image for your business. To truly maximize the power of social media, businesses need to create profiles and pages that are professional and consistent with their branding. This means using high quality images, writing compelling copy, and staying active on a regular basis. Additionally, businesses should make sure to monitor their social media accounts for negative comments and address them quickly and appropriately. By taking these steps, businesses can create social media profiles and pages that help to achieve their marketing goals, and you can ensure that your social media presence is an asset to your business rather than a liability. Number 4, fill out all of your profile information, including a website and contact info. Social media is a powerful tool to reach new customers and grow your brand. You should make it a priority to fill out all of your fields, including your website and contact information. Why is this so important? Well, for one thing, it helps to build trust with your audience. If they can see that you are a real person with a real website, they are more likely to take you seriously as a source of information. Additionally, providing contact information makes it easy for people to get in touch with you if they have questions or want to collaborate. Also, having a complete profile makes it more likely that people will find you when they are searching for related keywords. As a company owner, you understand how important social media is for acquiring new consumers and expanding your brand. There are so many different platforms that it might be tough to choose where to begin. However, YouTube should be at the top of your list as a business owner. YouTube is a great platform for businesses. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world behind only Google. And while that may seem like an insurmountable challenge, remember that you only need to worry about ranking for your target keywords. And if you create interesting and engaging content, people will share it, which will help you reach an even larger audience. One of the most important things you can do on social media is to make sure your profile is filled out completely. This includes your website and contact information. It could make the difference between reaching a wide audience and being lost in the sea of online contents. So if you want to maximize the impact of your social media marketing, make sure that your social media profile is up to date. Number 5, create interesting and engaging content. Social media platforms provide businesses with a unique opportunity to connect with their target audience. However, simply posting updates and announcements is not enough to stand out from the crowd. In order to be successful, businesses need to create interesting and engaging content that will capture the attention of their target audience. Here are some tips for creating content that will help your business to stand out on social media. Use images and videos. A picture is worth 1,000 words, and this is especially true on social media. Platforms such as Instagram and Snapchat are visually oriented, so using images and videos is a great way to grab attention. Be timely. Social media is all about timely content. Make sure to post updates that are relevant to current events and trends. This will help ensure that your content is seen by as many people as possible. Be personal. Social media provides businesses with an opportunity to connect with their customers on a personal level. Take advantage of this by sharing stories and updates that are personal and relatable. Be helpful. People use social media to find answers to their questions or solutions to their problems. If you can be the business that provides that help, you will be sure to capture their attention and their loyalty. Be entertaining. Social media is a great platform for showing off your brand's personality. Whether you are sharing funny memes or hosting a contest, a little bit of personality can go a long way in engaging your audience. By following these tips, you can create content that is both interesting and engaging, helping your business to stand out on social media. Number 6. Use hashtags to reach a wider audience. As a business owner, it's important to use every tool at your disposal to reach your target audience. Social media platforms like Twitter and Instagram offer a great way to connect with potential customers. But if you are not using hashtags, you are missing out on a valuable opportunity. Hashtags help to categorize content and make it easier for people to find what they are looking for. When used correctly, hashtags can help to increase your visibility on social media and attract new followers. Here are a few tips for using hashtags effectively. Do your research. Before you start using hashtags, it's important to do some research and find the ones that are most relevant to your business. There are a number of different tools that can help with this, such as Hashtagify and Keyword Tool. Use relevant hashtags. Once you've identified the most relevant hashtags for your business, make sure you are using them regularly in your posts. Don't overload your posts with too many hashtags, but don't be afraid to use a few that are relevant to your content. Monitor the results. Keep track of the number of views, engagements, and clicks that your post receives when you use certain hashtags. This will help you to determine which hashtags are most effective for reaching your target audience. Number 7. Respond to comments and messages promptly. Social media has become an essential part of modern communication, and it's important to respond to comments and messages promptly. In today's fast-paced world, people expect to receive a response from their inquiries within a reasonable amount of time. If you don't respond in a timely manner, you risk losing customers or potential customers. Additionally, if you take too long to respond, the conversation may have already moved on, and it will be more difficult to get the person's attention again. Therefore, it's important to check your social media accounts regularly and respond to comments and messages as soon as possible. This shows that you are responsive and attentive, and it will help you build strong relationships with your customers and followers. Number 8. Run social media ads for targeted marketing campaigns. Social media offers a unique opportunity for targeted marketing campaigns. By targeting ads to specific demographics, interests, and even locations, businesses can ensure that their message is reaching the right people. And with the ability to track results and adjust campaigns on the fly, social media ads offer an unparalleled level of flexibility and control. What's more, social media ads are relatively inexpensive, making them a great option for businesses for all sizes. So if you are looking to reach a specific audience with your marketing message, social media should be your go-to platform. Number 9, analyze your social media analytics to see what's working and what is not. Social media analytics is the process of measuring, analyzing, and interpreting data from social media platforms. This data can be used to inform marketing decisions and to evaluate the performance of social media campaigns. Social media analytics can be performed manually through the use of Excel or other spreadsheet softwares, or through the use of specialized social media analytics tools. Regardless of how it is done, social media analytics should be an integral part of any social media marketing strategy. By examining the data, marketers can see what content is resonating with their audience and what content is falling flat. This information can be used to adjust future campaigns accordingly. Additionally, social media analytics can provide insights into which social media platforms are most effective for reaching a given target audience. With this information, marketers can focus their efforts on the platforms that are most likely to result in success. In short, social media analytics is essential for any business that wants to make the most of its social media marketing efforts. Number 10, plan ahead and create a content calendar. As any social media expert will tell you, a content calendar is an essential tool for managing your online presence. By planning ahead and mapping out your contents in advance, you can ensure that your social media platforms are always updated with fresh, engaging contents. This not only helps to keep your followers engaged, but it also makes it easier to identify and capitalize on social media trends. Of course, creating a content calendar can be a daunting task, especially if you are new to social media marketing. However, there are a few simple tips that can help make the process easier. First, start by brainstorming a month's worth of content ideas. Once you have a general idea of what you want to post, try to batch produce as much content as possible in order to stay ahead of schedule. Finally, don't forget to leave room for spontaneity. Social media is, after all, about being social. By following these simple tips, you will be well on your way to creating a successful social media strategy. Thanks for watching. To learn more about social media marketing, be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. I will be releasing new videos regularly, so stay tuned for more great contents. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you.